how long that this case, these criminals, other people who may go like make sure we will find out and so on and so forth. And all of us stand up as a people. I think you are going to program and the general work on all of this. All of us must rise up to then the fastest growing religion in Anambra is idolatry. The fastest growing religion. And that's why in the new year, January, we are going to be registering all the Mezzabine, all the religion, all the we are going to register everybody and know what you are doing. If you are not doing the right thing, we condemn and scrap it. We must all fight this thing and not further. Anambra is a Christian state, and we must rise up as a people together. If we don't fight this thing together, we'll all die individually. We must. The body of Christ is one. We can't be doing this about Pentecostal. No, the greatest threat to Christendom is idolatry in the Southwest. And it is linked to this kidnapping, wrong, cultism. We are going to make it. Declare to walk among them. Simultaneously. We must get this place clean and cleared up. Man, I get to take all of us. Said if you know something, if you see something, you do what? Spend power.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what Governor Soludo said in that video. He said that the reason why he is fighting Dibias in Anambra State is to curb crimes, cultism, and all that. But it's all lies. That is just the format that he's using to carry out his agenda. Soludo is fighting Dibias in Anambra State just to Christianize the state. His agenda is to make sure that Anambra State becomes a full Christian state, just like he is propagating in that video. If you watch that video closely, you will find out that this man is just fighting traditionalists to suit his narrative, to suit his agenda. Because so many people will be saying, Soludo is doing the right thing, he's doing the right thing. Are you people not seeing this video? He said that the fastest growing religion currently in Anambra State is now idolatry. Is idolatry not another person's religion? There is freedom of religion, but he must know that idolatry is someone's religion. And he said that because of that, they will start registering Eziwani and other DBS. Can you imagine? Is that not an insult? He said that because of all these juju people, that's why there is crimes in Anambra State. There is cultism in Anambra State. Crime is crime. Crime is not all about is this set of people that are committing this crime. Because it's OMENANI people that they are the ones that are committing this crime. If you go to the Southwest, we have been hearing so many bad news from there. Pastors committing cannibalism. Pastors selling human parts. Alpha prophets in Southwest Nigeria. So many pastors there have been caught doing illegal things. Some of them confessed that they committed cannibalism, that they ate their victims. So many of them have confessed that they have been dealing on human parts before they were caught. Now, if the government in Yoruba land wants to tackle insecurity, will they focus only on traditional people? No. They will focus on both alphas, both prophets, both pastors, both DBS, and those that are not even religious there. That is how to tackle insecurity. But Soludo is not doing all those things. He just wants to make sure that Anambra State becomes a full Christian state. Soludo said that Anambra State is a Christian state. He's very wrong. Anambra State is never and is not a Christian state. He should also have it in mind that there are some Anambra people that believe that they are Jewish. Jewish and Christians are not the same people. They are not the same. They don't practice the same system of worship. We must know that Jewish people are different from Christians. That's why if you go to Israel today, Israel people, they don't like Christians. If you are a Christian and you go to Israel, they will be seeing you the way they see Muslims. They don't like Christians. They persecute Christians in Israel the way they persecute the Muslims of Gaza, those Palestine. Go and verify. So if Soludo say that Anambra State is a Christian state, what about the Jewish people? Is Anambra State not a Jewish state? No, let's look at it from that angle. Anambra State is not a Christian state. Anambra State is not a Jewish state. Anambra State is not a juju state. Anambra State is an OMENANI na ODINANI state. No part of Igbo land is a Christian state. Abia, Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra is never a Christian state. All parts and angles of Igbo land are OMENANI na ODINANI states. We Igbos, we are OMENANI na ODINANI people. Let's say the truth. Because so many religious bigots will be telling you, what are you saying? Shut up your mouth there. You are supposed to be doing Igbo unification. How come you are not talking about religion? Didn't they like Ezioku? When it comes to religion, you will see that so many people have lost it. They no longer reason properly. Those that know what we are talking about will tell you that Igbo land is an OMENANI na ODINANI state. Because we have been here before every religion came. And you must know that OMENANI na ODINANI is not a religion. It's a way of life. That is what our ancestors have been practicing till date. The reason why Igbo land is an OMENANI na ODINANI nation is because our system of governance, justice, and everything here is Ofo mantle of justice. All kings in Igbo land, both our Paluku, we use the Ofo to govern ourselves before we started using all this colonial system of justice and government. Our way of life is Ofo. 4 market days is our way of life. It's OMENANI na ODINANI, for which each and every one of us here are making use of it. Every religion in Igbo land are making use of the Igbo 4 market days. We are making use of our Ofo. Everything about us is centered in OMENANI na ODINANI. So Soludo is very wrong to come and be telling us that Anambra State is a Christian state. No part of Igbo land is a Christian state. No part of Igbo land is a Jewish state. No part of Igbo land is a juju state. You must know that OMENANI is not juju. We Igbos, we don't worship idols. I have OMENANI na ODINANI. And OMENANI na ODINANI must be alive. We must keep it. No one will come and destroy it for us. Maka, if anything and I cannot go. How many of our DBS in Igbo land have sued Soludo to court, telling him to stop fighting our people? No, they can't do it. All they know is, you will see some of our DBS in Igbo land, all those ones that don't even know what they are doing, they will come online saying all sort of rubbish. This, that, that is the only thing they do. All these, so many of these stupid DBS that don't have sense, coming online, fighting each other. Traditionalists in Igbo land, we are not united. All this that these DBS are doing, fighting each other online, is not what we need. Those ones are not DBS though. Those ones are mumu where they parade themselves as DBS. OMENANI na ODINANI people are supposed to unite and develop Igbo land. OMENANI na ODINANI is not all about carrying masquerade, going to shrines, doing this, doing that. All those things are necessary. Because OMENANI people, they go to shrines, they do festivals, they carry masquerade. Fine. It's our culture, it's our tradition. But let's know that by being united, we can build roads, we can build schools, we can build health centers, and say, this is what Ndi OMENANI na ODINANI built. This is what Ndi OMENANI na ODINANI made for their community. That is what we are supposed to be doing. And if we start doing such a thing, people will start seeing light in OMENANI na ODINANI. But instead, all these fake DBS are coming online, spoiling our image, doing okite, anamago kite, mmego kite, iyenwego, mmego kite, iyadenka. Okite is not helping our youth. It's making our youth to be lazy by relying on all these spiritual juju go make you get money. All the okite is not our culture and tradition. If Soludo must stop evil in Anambra State, he should focus on all religious groups. So many pastors are doing shady businesses. So many pastors are committing crimes in Anambra State. Even if they are bad DBS in Anambra State, they are not the only people constituting nuisance there. Other religious groups also are constituting nuisance. Soludo, stop fighting traditionalists. Traditionalists, unite and stop this rubbish that Soludo is doing. Anambra State is not a Christian state, but an OMENANI na ODINANI state. Thank you.